We divide 366 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 6. So now it became 16 and 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 6 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0. So 366 divided by 2 is 183. So this much for today and thanks for watching.